Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, guys, I am going to be doing a get ready with me. I know you missed me because I missed y'all, okay? So going in first, I've been still using my e.l.f. Poreless face primer. I'm going to put a few drops of that on my face. And y'all, I didn't do my eyebrows because the way that my hair is going to be, my eyebrows will not have to be defined like they normally would because they won't be showing that much. I'm gonna go in with my NARS. Y'all, I'm thinking about going to get the other NARS this weekend. I'm gonna get the one that is in the glass container or the glass bottle instead of the Fenty. I think I'm gonna do that because like people be raving about this foundation and I really love NARS now, so don't get me wrong. So I think that's what I'm gonna do instead of getting the Fenty. I think I'm gonna do the NARS because the NARS just be melting into my skin so nicely. Just like the Maybelline, y'all. I really love that Maybelline. That bottle is almost gone. That should tell you how much I've been using it. It's crazy. It's cray cray. So I am going in with a damp beauty blender. Y'all, I wish YouTube let you play music while you're recording because that'll be so freaking awesome. Like, I be want to jam, but I can't, you know, because I'm gonna get copyrighted, and I don't want to get copyrighted or whatever. Y'all, do y'all see that? Like, it don't even look like I'm wearing makeup right now, and this is why I love NARS. This is why NARS is like #1 on my list right now, because baby, that's crazy. And I love this foundation because it's not so creamy. Like, it's perfect. It's perfect, y'all. Like, this foundation it never fails me. I feel like it gives me such a natural look. All right, so we have our foundation on. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal concealer, and this is in the color 405. And I'm gonna put this one on first. This one is more my color. The other one is a little brighter, and I'll put them next to each other so you can see it. Maybe you can't see, but this one is $3.95 and this one is $4.05. I feel like, yeah, this one is definitely lighter. So you wanna make sure you take your time when blending this concealer in so that you don't look crazy, all right? And I am just taking it a little bit above on my forehead, y'all. I'm gonna go in now with the $3.95, and that's the walnut color, and that's still in L'Oreal. And I'm gonna put a little bit under my eye, chin, a little bit on my forehead. That's just to lighten it up, and you can kind of see the difference with that too. On what I was saying, that one was lighter than the other one. Y'all, Target had a sale on foundations and makeup and palettes, but honey, I didn't get the memo because I didn't get there on time, and I was a little like, I do have the cart on my phone, but I wasn't paying attention. I don't know what happened that day, but when I went there, everything was like about gone. I would have liked to get some more of these little beauty blenders. They were on sale. And their brushes was on sale too. I'm not gonna do a lot of contour, y'all. I always say that. I'm gonna do a little bit. A little bit. That's it. That's all. I'm gonna use a brush to go ahead and brush that in. And for my cheek area, I'm gonna brush upward. And I didn't use a lot, y'all. Like, I did literally a little bit because like what I'm wearing, I don't need to do too much. I will be setting my face using my Sasha Buttercup. And for my lashes, I do have to get dramatic today, y'all, because the way that my hair is gonna be, I'm gonna have my lashes dramatic. So just so you know, I thought it was me when it comes to this, but it's really not me. It's really the powder, because it just be everywhere. Like, seriously. And like I said, I'm not doing much to my brows today because you won't even be able to see them that much. And I haven't used my Anastasia brow gel in a minute, so that's what I'm gonna use right now. For the brush that I'm using, this is my Mary Kay eyebrow brush. So just in case you wanted to know that. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. concealer to clean up my brows. Also using my e.l.f. brush. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and just clean that up. Brush that in, blend it in. I just need them to look civilized, y'all. I don't need them to be doing all the extra stuff because my hair is not gonna be up, so I'm okay with that. So I am going in with my Morphe palette. This is the Fierce by Nature 3503, and we are about to do some little looks. Like I said, I don't have to do much, y'all, because my eyes is kind of be not seeing it really as much. So we'll see. Starting off, I'm gonna go with that black color right here, and I'm gonna use that first. And I'm just doing circular upward motion until it like kind of smokes out a little bit. But I want it to get a little ashy look. So I don't want it to be like super black, but like this, because I kind of want it to mimic a dark smoky gray, I guess you could say. So I'm gonna go in with a little more of concealer. Same thing, e.l.f. concealer. And I'm gonna go in with this color right here, Disrupt. So right now I'm just packing everything on. And y'all know I go back and I blend it out. I'm gonna go in with that Consume color, and that's like that orangey peach color right there. I'm gonna use that for the inner part of my lid. We're gonna go in with Trance, and that was right next to that orange color. That was like the first color. We're gonna go in with that one. Yeah, see, this is the color I was gonna go in with the first time, and I was like, that look a little too light. But then I went to the other one. I'm like, oh no, this was the one I had the last time. Got me. So I am gonna put my lashes on off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm just gonna go ahead and dust off this setting powder. And like I said, I ain't had to do much to my eyes or my, my upper part because I was wearing a full wig. Just throw it on and go, honey. I'm not a huge fan of these type of wigs because sometimes the bang could get a little itchy, but I'm not wearing it for long, so. But I mean, if I had to like get like a sew-in or something, I would definitely be, iffy about wearing it. And that's what I'm saying. It just get a little hot sometimes, but right now it's not hot outside, so I'm okay. But normally it'll be hot and your whole head will be sweating. And I just got a few braids under here, nothing crazy. And I am using my Revolution bronzer in the color number 2, Warm. And that's just putting some more color back into my face, y'all. I ain't doing nothing else. I haven't curled it, I haven't flat ironed it, I haven't done anything to it. Even though I want to, I'm gonna wait to do that, but right now, yes, I'm feeling it. So now I am going to line my lips using a lip liner. And I'm also going to put some black liner underneath my eye to kind of like smoke it out a little bit. And this is the little brush that came from my brush set that I recently just got. And it's perfect for lining that waterline, y'all. Y'all know what I don't like this time of year is when those people start calling you like, hey, your social security, da-da-da-da, the IRS, da-da-da-da, and you like, honey, the IRS don't make phone calls. You have to call them. Like, stop trying it. Stop, please. Like, stop trying to scam people. Y'all, like, stop doing that. I don't like that. Or y'all car insurance warranty people. I haven't had a warranty in 5 years. I've been told y'all I didn't want no warranty. Why y'all calling me every single day to give me a warranty? I'm about to get a new car. I'm speaking that into existence, y'all. I don't know if I'm getting a new car, but I'm praying that I'm getting a new car. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and just doubled my lashes because one was not doing it for me. I needed a whole look. And I feel like now that I put on the second pair, I feel like my eyes are like, rah. And that's what I wanted, okay? Okay, guys, so that wraps up this Get Ready With Me tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Like always, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.